Welcome to this REX610 operation video. In this video, you will be introduced to the process of setting passwords, managing user authorization, and performing user login and logout operations. If user authorization is off or the user is logged in as an administrator, user passwords can be set via the LHMI or with PCM 600. Local passwords can be changed only via the LHMI. Remote passwords can be changed via the LHMI or with PCM 600. If the administrator password is lost, ABB's technical customer support needs to be contacted to retrieve the administrator level access. User authorization is disabled by default and can be enabled via the LHMI path. Configuration. Authorization. Passwords. Set the local override parameter to false. To begin login process, press Enter. Press up and down arrow keys to enter the username character by character. In this example, engineer user access level is used with the default password. Confirm the selection with Enter key. Then enter the password when prompted by activating the desired digit with left and right keys and changing the character with up and down keys. Press Enter to confirm the login. To cancel the procedure, press Escape. The user categories have been predefined for the LHMI with different rights and default passwords. Passwords are settable for the user accounts in all roles. Each user can change their own password, but only administrator can reset other users' passwords. On factory restore, factory default usernames, passwords and password policies are restored. An automatic logout occurs 30 seconds after the backlight timeout. To manually log out, press ESC continuously for 3 seconds. Press Enter to confirm the logout. To cancel the procedure, press Escape.